Some trending stocks for Thursday, the 14th of August 2025. We have XPON, NEGG, SNOA, RDDT, RILY. So let's begin with XPON, up 159.92%. Let's see what we have. We have some, yeah, the stock is trending sharply following a double boost of strong earnings and confirmation that the company has regained NASDAQ compliance. The dual news flow has ignited speculation of a short squeeze, particularly given the stock's low float and elevated short interest. Traders are drawing parallels to recent low float rockets that experienced parabolic moves, and chat rooms are filled with debates about ideal entry zones and exit strategies to avoid being caught in post squeeze collapses. Bulls are pointing to technical breakouts and high volume as signs of sustained rally, while bears caution that the run could be overextended if sentiment flips. Many are keeping a close eye on intraday support zones and psychological resistance levels, treating the setup as high risk, high reward play. Yeah. Strength is expected to remain in place up till Monday the 18th of August. This is its daily chart, and then after that, it's going to contract somewhat. Yeah, a distributive contraction, and then the uptrend may resume. So the algos are, yeah, they are strongly bullish on XPON. Everything is strongly bullish here. Nothing, no negativity here on its price pressure momentums. We have a downward projection of 1.56, nothing to the upside. The algos, the Fibonacci projections, or the algos have not been able to plot anything further up. Nothing up further up. All we can do is just see if we had anything before now. It did. We should have. The stock was declining from higher prices. We have here, let's see, yeah, very low, very, very deep down projections. But we have 5.15, 6.44, 7.25. Let's see what we have here. Nothing. Okay, yeah, we have 19.87. Okay, this is November of last year. Okay, but they're still relevant. 19.87, 26.66, 30.86. But there's a gap between those levels and the current levels. Okay, what we can do is just have a look at its 4 hour chart. What do we have here? We have okay, nothing here. I think we can also, without wasting time, we can have a look at the minute charts. They might give us prices within range, within the sort of levels where it is trading at right now. 403, nothing. 4.03, 4.24. We want to see it's currently trading at 3.4. Okay, yeah, so okay, yeah, yeah, 4.03. Those are within sort of range it's currently trading in right now. 4.03, 3.94, 3.79, 3.33, 3.47, 3.38. Then you also include the fact that we have this intraday high of 5.50. Well, so let's just see how things go. The algos are expecting that high prices will keep printing. What does the readout say here? Low floats, high short interest. Well, that may well be the case, but bear in mind that there's a good chance it's a high risk, high reward play, and also if it's high risk, it will be, yeah, high risk. Obviously, you know what that means. Yeah. So let's move on to the next is NEGG. NEGG up 35.48%. Let's see what the readout is saying. Okay, stock is drawing heavy trader attention on the back of gamma squeeze charter, with particular focus on its tight free float and high borrow costs that could force short covering under the right conditions. The narrative gained momentum after investors pointed out that a major shareholder has ties to the GME saga, raising the speculation appeal, raising the speculative appeal for retail traders who see history potentially repeating. Options activity has spiked, further fueling the gamma squeeze thesis. However, skeptics note that NEGG's fundamentals remain weak and that the past hype cycles in the stock have ended up in sharp declines. The market is split between traders treating this as a pure technical momentum play and those avoiding it entirely due to valuation and business model concerns. So intraday high in the session 131.28 has come off those levels. Yeah, strongly bullish. High prices are expected to remain in place. I don't know when. I don't know till when. Still expected to remain in place. 101.62 is a downward projection. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think we have seen. We have to go to its weekly chart to see if we have anything any in terms of projections. We have to go back. Um, as of 2022, it had 157.5. Now it is a projection. It got rejected there. 157.559. So those are relevant. That's a relevant projection. It's a relevant resistance. Okay, here we have 1,221. Okay, this is as of 2021. So I think we'll take 159.0005. 159.05. I don't think its price pressure momentum is negative. It's not. It's strongly positive. Yeah, but support is 101.62 currently. Okay, no, it's actually we have some of the supports. We have 101.62, 90.51, 72.54, and then upper. Yeah, we still have more here. We have 29.58, 42.25. Even more 21.70, 26.57, 29.58. But upper projection is 159, $159 and some fraction. We got, yeah, 159, and then below that 131.28. Yeah, so let's have a look at the next one. SNOA up 67.1. Okay, SNOA is it's back in the pre-market session after news broke that the company's acne treatment products will launch in the UK pharmacy chain, a distribution deal that bulls say could significantly boost brand visibility and sales. The stock's very low float has amplified the excitement, with many traders eyeing key breakout levels that could trigger a squeeze. Discord and Reddit threads are full of short-term trade setups, often paired with warnings about the company's history of sharp spikes followed by equally fast sell-offs. Some market veterans are calling it a day trader dream, while others are simply watching the tape to see if momentum can sustain beyond this surge. So yeah, 82, 83, 8.32 printed year to date, 8.32. Okay, intraday high. Let's see what's going on. High prices are expected to remain in place up till Monday the 18th, and then after that, it may is expected to go into a distributive contraction up till Friday the 12th of Friday the 12th of September. Then after that, we might get a bounce, but that's this is an extrapolation going all the way towards the next 1 month. The margin of error is quite high. Here we have a downward projection of 4.39. We have an upper projection here, 8.32, even if we don't see any. Let's see if we have anything higher than that. We have something close, 7.14. Yeah, Yeah, 7.14, 6.53, 5.56. Nothing like that. Buying price pressure momentum. Okay, we have some negative values here indicating that yeah, maybe it has lost some of its edge. The buying pressure has lost some of its edge. So yeah, upper projections we have it just has to be this one, 8.32, and then it's 7.14. Yeah, at the moment. Yeah, we could also just quickly glance at the weekly chart. We might see something more ambitious there here. Okay, 5.02, nothing here. Okay, we have okay, yeah, 9.2, okay, 3.33 downward projection, 9.27, 11.85, 13.44. Uh, in between those, we have 6.66, 8.20, 9.16. Here we have further upper projections, 17.52, 23.32, 26.91. Yeah, okay. So, okay, let's have a look at Reddit, RWT. Reddit is up a minor 2.1%. Let's see what the extrapolations. The stock is just not old enough. We have 2.5, 225 as a downward projection. Yeah, 244.85 intraday high. So it's an upper projection. Let's see what I've had anything 225 just printed now. Okay, let's see what's going on with the stock. So Reddit continues its rally, riding a wave of bullish sentiment tied to user growth, AI initiatives, and increasing engagement metrics. Some traders see it as the next big social media platform to monetize AI tools, drawing comparisons to other early stages of drawing comparisons to the early stages of Meta and Snap. The ongoing strength has sparked debates over whether the stock is already overvalued and due for a pullback, especially as it approaches key resistance levels from previous highs. Has it printed anything like this before? Short squeeze speculation is in play due to moderate short interest, but most momentum traders are focused on technical levels and volume trends. Bulls highlight revenue growth potential from ads, premium subscriptions, and AI-powered services, while bears warn that the hype may be running ahead of actual earnings delivery. Okay, yeah, let's see. We checked already. Nothing here to see. At previous highs, as yeah, at, this is the highest it has ever printed. I think. Yeah, this is currently printing all-time highs now. Yeah, it's broken through the resistance of 225. So it's now at the main resistance is 244.85. Okay, so let's look at the last one, RILY, up 17.23, intraday high not long ago, 7.33. Okay, so strength is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 20th. Then after that, we might get a brief contraction. Then the uptrend is expected to resume. Let's see what we have. Not anything to the upside. 7.33 intraday high. Okay. 3.51 downward projection, 5.73 downward projection. Couple of downward projections here. Okay, buying pressure has to be very strong. It is, yeah, we just have a minor first derivative, negative first derivative on its 10-day moving average. Okay, we have this intraday high of 7.33, so we're just going to have a look at its weekly chart to see if we have anything higher than that. We should easily have, yes. We have here 29.7, 39.49, 45.54. Yeah, we have 7.15, 8.86, 9.92, and indeed a host of downward projections. Even the weekly chart is saying that higher prices will remain in place up till Monday, the 2nd of February 2026. So, well, then I know who knows what the algos have seen in the stock. So projections go all the way towards even 74.52. This was as of early last year. Yeah, so just get in there and have a look at these stocks. Nothing here. No, there was no recommendation here for you to buy or sell any of these stocks, but see what you make of all of them. And thank you very much for watching this video.